An attempted robbery took place in Wilmington, Delaware. Gladly, it was caught on a doorbell camera. The video shows how the man breaks into a car and tries to pick up some valuables. The man rushes to his car and leaves in a hurry since he got chased by the possible vehicle owner. He manages to leave the place. The resident, whose doorbell camera recorded the incident, opens his front door to get a good look at the situation. He sees two more suspicious men passing over his house, hence he closes the door. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, it'd be better to keep the doors closed and locked. 3 men were spotted in the doorbell footage of this residence. Given that it is late at night, they make every effort to appear sly while wearing matching sweatshirts. 2 of them pick the third one in such a way that he reaches over and grabs the flag. They did not harm anyone but managed to steal the flag. Fortunately, they left afterward. This doorbell video shows a hilariously wild woman in action. She approaches the vehicle and asks what is going on. She keeps saying the same thing even though the question did not make any sense. She then abruptly extends her hand as though she were attempting to open the car's door.
What's going on over here? What is going on over here? What is going on over here? Okay? You have my people in here? Okay? What is going on over here?
The sudden encounter is unclear, and the resident seemed confused. She asks the same question as she slowly approaches the front door.
Okay, I don't fucking want no goddamn police guy. You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am? I don't do nothing. Huh? 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 Dang. Whew. For what? You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am?
Hey, what happened? It's in my house.
You know who I am? What's going on out here?
Despite the fact that nothing had occurred, it appears that she is irritated with the resident. This bold guy was caught in a doorbell camera going through the owner's car. He even turned on the light and seems to be searching around for stuff. He manages to get something interesting and then exits the car. As soon as he backs off the porch, a woman and a man, who were seemingly the residents, were heard yelling and stopping the guy. The man runs away, but fortunately, he was caught on camera. In this video, 3 unsettling males can be seen inside a home in Irvington, New Jersey. They intend to commit a burglary at the house. They are conversing with each other in the scene when a loud noise is heard. They are surprised and quickly back away from the area. This doorbell camera captures this creepy, suspicious guy holding a knife approaching a house. The man extends his hand to open a side door, but fails to do so. He moves to the front door, but a boy asks him what he's doing through the camera. Obviously alarmed, he starts backing off right away.
Hello? Hey. Go away. Faster, faster.
He rushes towards the road.
I'm gonna call the police.
The boy threatens him to call the police, and that's when he finally runs away from the residence. This video that was captured by a doorbell camera shows this crazy woman outside a house in Louisville, Kentucky. She smiles at the camera continuously. She has some things in her hand, and it seems that she pours some water away at the doorstep. She then moves back and drinks the leftover water and throws the bottle in front of the house.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
No problem. Gotta have another world left. What you got?
As she's about to leave, the residents inside open the door. The lady who opens the door demands the crazy woman to pick up her bottle and not trash the place.
You come back, pick your bottle up. No, pick your bottle up. Thank you.
There was a lady out here one day I wanted to talk to you about.
As the woman does so, the husband requests her to leave the property before they resort to calling the cops. The woman just continues to speak gibberish to the couple and then moves back.
Can you leave our yard before we call the police, please?
Please call the police. I'll wait here for them.
On the street, somewhere else before we go through our... We need you to leave our porch.
Please. Bring the guns, all of them.
Again?
That's the problem. We'll quit that right now.
As she leaves, she tells the couple to stop acting up and that she won't let them live if they leave the house. She confirms if they hurt her.
Don't try to be smart, Ellie, or you won't make it out that house alive. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Thanks.
She's walking.
The resident inside, clearly frightened but upset, brings out a knife to threaten her.
I don't care. Follow that bitch.
Hey, that's a demon, baby. Come on back and shut the door.
Fortunately, the crazy lady left by then.
There's one thing even more terrifying than these clips, and that's what your life would be like without watching more of our videos.